Hi guys, does this happen to your tpms? This means it's time to replace your battery. Remove all the sensor to replace the battery. Use the spanner which come with it, or if you misplace it or lost it, you can use a size 14 spanner. Hold the cap and twist it anti-clockwise to open. Use something flat to push the battery out. Put in your replacement battery and it will start to beep. Put back the cap and twist it clockwise to lock it. Don't over tight it because this is all made out of plastic. And repeat the process with the rest of the sensor. And now you just need to fill up the air. Follow the recommended air pressure tire for your car, which normally will show on the side of the door of the driver's side. For Toyota Innova, it's recommended to fill up 33 psi on a cold tire. Now all the sensors are showing 33 psi.